So, right now I want to focus on why all the noise about content? Why is it even important you create content? Who cares about your content? No one knows me, as some people would say. And most people I know don't use social media. That's because the people you know don't. There are millions of people out there that you don't know, but they need your service. Content creation is basically you advertising your product or service to the rest of the world without paying a dime. It's free platform. I can't emphasize this more than Gary Vaynerchuk did. Now the guy put out content daily 10 years straight. Now, when you talk about being committed, that's real commitment right there. I don't swear, but that's real commitment. Now, if you're that committed to your product or service, then you should consider putting out daily content like that. Now, you ask, what am I going to be talking about? Start from somewhere. Start from where you are. You're not Coca-Cola, and no one's expecting you to be Coca-Cola. You're not Apple, and no one's expecting you to be Apple. I am Kunmis Media, and that's all I'm expected to be. My content focuses solidly on creating content for small businesses so that they can increase their cash flow. When you engage with Kunmis Media, our bottom line is to make sure that your sales goals are being met. So we do strategic content creation, not just content, but strategic content creation to make sure that your sales goals are being met every single month. Okay, why is that important? It's simple. Cash flow is king. Cash is king. It doesn't buy you happiness. It sure makes way for you.